So today I need to clean up this mess so that I can start to build stuff around here. I'm gonna fix that because I have few ideas about things to build. Let's get started. Most of this is the stuff from inside the shed. Now I need to figure out what I want to keep and what I want to throw out. I figured that I might want to build a shelf here for some of the tools and then put all the sheet stuff and the junk under it. Yeah, I might just do that. I think I got this side done now, and I actually disassembled the table saw stand. I didn't use it all that much anymore, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, I guess. Bye bye.